Okay, here's a cool thing to try. Doesn't have to be a wine bottle, but I've got those. Could be any glass bottle, could be a glass, really in a way it would be better if it was the kind of glass jar that just has straight sides. And needs to be smooth, you know, I've got mason jars, but they've got grooves and that sort of thing. So you want a nice clean glass jar, wine bottle, whatever. This is a foam that has a sticky back on it. Okay, so you can peel the backing away, and then this is real sticky. Okay, and what I'm going to do is cut squares out of this foam or lines. It could be whatever you want. I'm just going to play around with squares. So see how many I need. And by the way, where I'm really headed with this is that I'm going to make a roller that I can use on my gel plate. I want to line those all up. I don't know how many I'm going to need, so I'll start with that. These fun foam sheets come in a lot. Make sure you get the kind that has the sticky back. I suppose you could use a glue gun, but that seems like a hassle. And I did not measure the distance around the bottom of this bottle, so I may not come out even. We'll see whether the gel plate gods are with me today. I'd rather say the gel plate goddesses. Let's see, the curves starting, I could probably put one more layer on there, but I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to show you how it works. So here's my gel plate, and here's a little Payne's gray from Liquitex. I'll roll that out. There I go. Wouldn't be a bad idea to wear rubber gloves. Cool. There you go. Got a couple spots where maybe the paint was really thin. It's drying really fast today. But as you can see, that's got promise. I hope you'll give it a shot. And here's one that printed really well, where I just put hot glue on the bottle and then rolled it. I can see a couple places it's coming loose, but this would be good for a few more rolls. So I would think just about anything you can stick to glass can be used for this. As a matter of fact, the next thing I'm going to try is putting matte medium over the entire, this part of the bottle, and wrapping cheesecloth around it and rolling the cheesecloth. So if I experiment with that, I'll be back. If you've enjoyed watching this, I hope you will subscribe, put any questions you have in the comment section, because I always answer the questions. Glad you're here.